Do you want to speak English confidently but you feel afraid or confused? Hello friends, my name is Karan and I am from Bihar. Friends, I know that you click on this video for speaking in English and want to improve your English. That's why you click on this video. Friends, let me tell you, I am beginner and I am also learning this language. Friends, if you are also learning this language, then stay connected with me. I take 30-day challenge and this is my second day. And in this video, I am going to talk about how to daily practice for English. Friends, today I am thinking about that on which topic I should make video. Then I realized that improvement of English is very important. I should make video on how to improvement on English. Then I right now I am making video about improvement of English. Friends, and what is necessary of English, and both topic I am thinking about what is necessary of English and why English is important. Such question are running in my mind. So I decided that I have to make video on this topic. Friends, you know that English is very important in today life. If you not learn English, then you can't survive in this world. As you know that English is worldwide language which is spoken by all over the world, all over the country. And if you not don't know, then you feel unconfident, you feel nervous and something more, you feel not better. So try to learn this language. Friends, if you learn this language, then many things are open for you, like job and other things also. So this is necessary language. You have to learn this language in anyhow, then you can survive in this world. Friends, let me tell you, when I am in my schooling time, then on that time I speak Hindi language. But after some time my father took my admission into CBSE school. And when I go there, then I saw that all all students are speaking in English, but I don't understand. Then I realized that English is important very well. English is very important. Friends, in while I am recording, you notice that I am making lot of mistake. I know I make a lot of mistake because I am learning language, English language. I know that if I not make mistake, then I never learn this language. Mistake is equal to learning of language, English. Friends, then let me tell you, I am telling about my schooling time. Then on when saw the student who was speaking in English, then I realized that English is very important. If I have to study in CBSE school, then I have to learn English language. And from that day I decided that I have to learn this language. And from that day I start learning English language. I But most of a student are, when you meet your friend in classroom, then most of a student are speaking in their Hindi language. But when teacher come, they start speaking in English. Because in our class, one a spoken in charge who take fine those students who speak Hindi. He take fine and give to the teacher. And that's why when teacher come in class, then all the students are speaking in English. But but when teacher leave the class, then all the students are started talking in Hindi. Because they know that, because they know English very well. But as you know that our mother tongue is as you know that my mother tongue is Hindi. That's why they started talking in their native language. So On that time I am learning English language, but I also speak when my friend speak Hindi. Then I also used to speak Hindi. That's why I am very late to learn this language. But now I decided that I have to learn this language in anyhow. Friends, in when I passed 10th grade, then I realized that English is not a subject, it is a language. If you look English like a subject, then you never learn this language. But if you thought that English is a language, then you will learn English. Because if you thought that English is language, then learning language is easy things. But if you understand that it is a subject, then you start only a study English, but not able to understand it, feel it. So yeah, but if you decided that no, English is a language, then you learn very well and try trying to feel it. Friends, if you also want to improve your English, then direct think in your mind, not translate it. Suppose that I am some person is coming in front of me, then direct think in English, not translate it. If some person is coming, then if you direct think in your mind in English, then your mind slowly working on that process, that language. Then in this way you can learn English language. Whatever you are doing, thus just think in English, then you can learn English language very well. Slowly you can learn English language. Friends, right now I am also doing same thing. I am also it I am previously I am translating, but now this time, after 2 or 3 day, I am learning. I am direct thinking in English in whatever I am doing. I am suppose that I am eating food, I am taking breakfast, I am studying, then i I directly think in my mind in English, so that our tongue do like that, and our tongue fit into in English. You know that lots of students are trying to learn grammar. He thought that when he learn grammar, then he or she can speak English well, but it is wrong. I am not agree with that, because learning grammar is very boring things. If you learn grammar, then you take so fail many type of problem. But if you thought that English is language and I have to speak this language, then you you and try to feel it, then you start feeling inside your body, inside your mind. In this way you can learn English. Friends, lots of students are sorry, let me tell you, when you are speaking English, then you not learn grammar. Tell me if you learn grammar, yes or not? I think no any people learn grammar while he or she speaking their mother tongue or native language. But when you start learning English, then then you thought that no, grammar is important. But no, grammar is not important. If you learn grammar, then it will take long time and it will create problem for you. But if you decided that no, I have to, yes, I know that grammar is important, but if you decided that I have to learn this language, then all things is easy for you. You can learn this language in anyhow if you decided. And English is necessary, friends, everywhere. One day I saw one bike, and that bike start with button, and on that button written in English. But when suppose that I am not understanding English, I am not read English, then how can I start this bike? If you want to drive also, then you have to learn English in anyhow. English is very important in today life because English is worldwide language. Friends, if you not learn English language, then you can't move even your one step in coming world. This is the important of English. English is worldwide language. Suppose that you go from one country to another country and you don't know her net language or his language on that. You don't know that the language which is going on that country. Then English will help you to communicate with them and they can understand your language. You also understand your language, her language or his language, because English both you are speaking in English. This is the important of English. Friends, I am also learning this language and I know that I make a lot of mistake in this video, but I am trying to improve my English. So if you are also trying to improve your English, then stay connected with me. We improve our English together, and I am going to end this video. Thank you.